Today we're going to look at creating an Animoto video clip. And Animoto is a great site because it allows you to create a short 30-second video clip on different topics using images, text, and music to show your understanding. So to start off, I'm already logged into my Animoto account, and I'll give you the login information in class. The first thing you would do when you get to this screen is click on the Create button. And that will bring up several different templates that you can use, themes to use for your video. And when you're picking a theme, you want to be aware that your theme matches your topic. So as you can see, there's a lot of different ones to choose from here, and when you click on one, you can kind of get an idea of what it would look like. And there's also a couple of other tabs up here that you can click on to get more options. I'm going to pick this one, air, to do for our sample. So I'll click on that, and it'll come up. And it actually shows me a preview with music that's already programmed on there of what it will look like. I can change the music once I'm editing it, and since this looks like a good one to me, I'm going to pick this by going over here, and instead of clicking purchase video, I'm going to go to make a 30-second video for free. And then it'll bring up your editing page. So on this page, what I can do is I can add some pictures and videos onto my Animoto by clicking here. And I have the option to upload pictures and video if I have them on my computer. And also I can choose to add from the image library that Animoto has, or the video clip library, and that's where I'm going to choose my pictures for today. There's a couple different collections here. I'm going to go to the travel one, and I'm going to pick a couple images out of here to add on. Okay. And then they'll show up on my screen like this. And if I want to change their positioning, all I have to do is drag and drop them. So if there's anything that I want to move around, I just drag and drop. Up at the top here, you're going to see it tells me how long my video is so far. So that's really good for me to keep in mind because I only have 30 seconds. So I want to make sure that I don't go over that 30 seconds. Once you have some pictures up here, you can add on captions on the bottom just by clicking on the caption. And then you can add a caption on here. You can also add on video clips, and since I have about 10 seconds or so left, I'm going to see if I can find a video clip on here. And again, you can upload a video clip from your computer or from their clip library, which is where I'm going to go to. So I'm going to look and see if I can find a video clip that's not too long and use that one. I think I'll use this one right here. Add this on. So another way to do this would be, if you wanted to find images online, would be to save those to your computer and then upload them onto here. The other thing I can do is I can add text by adding on a title. So I would just type that in here. And under the subtitles, probably a good place to put your name. Okay, now that slide came in back here, but I probably want to put that towards the front, so I'm going to move it over here. There's some other options over here that you can do. You can spotlight a certain slide. So all you would do is click on it and then click the spotlight and it'll highlight it. And what that does is just kind of focuses on that slide a little bit more. But you want to be careful that you don't highlight too many, because then your video is going to get longer by highlighting more. You can also rotate by clicking on, and you can rotate your pictures if you need to. You can duplicate them, and also if you put one in that you don't want, you can delete it by clicking on the delete button. The last thing you can do is go up here where you see the little music note and click on that. And you can change the song. There was a song that was already selected for this one, but if you don't like that one or you want to have something different, you can go on here and there's different options. That's one of the great things about Animoto is they have a lot of music choices to choose from. So you could go to the full music library, or if you want to go to some of the recommended songs. Since mine seems to be a travel theme, I'm going to click on travel. And what you can do is you can preview it by just clicking on this play button. Okay, that one seems a little bit too upbeat maybe for mine, so I'm going to go try to find something a little bit more, suited to my slideshow. And you want to think about that too when you're selecting a song, that you want to pick a song that goes with your topic or your theme of your Animoto. So if you're doing one on the Holocaust, you don't want to pick a song that's really upbeat and happy. You might want to pick something that really goes along more with that, and vice versa. So let's see what this one is. Okay, I like that one, so I'm going to choose that one and just highlight it and pick Add Song. And up at the top you'll see that now the song has changed. Okay, my video is full, so I know that I'm done unless I want to change something. So I'm going to go to Preview Video right here. Okay, so I can see my video playing here. I see my highlight right here. And my video clip coming up. This is also a good time to click on and put on a title. Onto mine, date is optional. I could put a little description here also. And if I saw something on there that I want to change, then I can click the continue editing and go back and change something. Or if I think that I'm done and I'm happy with it, I can click on the produce button. And I'll see this screen come up. And I have a couple of different ways now to publish my video or share my video. And those are over here. I can email it to someone, to me, to your teacher. I can also find a link for it, which I can then use that to share with other people. They do provide an embed code if you know how to do that, or if you have a YouTube account, you can post it on there also. So you have a couple of different options. Also, when you go back to your videos, it'll show up on there and you can access it that way also. Okay, well I hope you have a lot of fun creating videos with Animoto.